Well, so far this month, we have featured a lot of cold and quiet weather across West Michigan. Checking out the live view, visibility is great in downtown Holland, to downtown Grand Rapids as well. We still have some snow on some of those grassy surfaces, but other than that, we've pretty much lost almost all the snow that we've picked up so far this winter season. And what we have not been picking up, much sunshine. So far this month of January, we have only had 18 minutes of sunshine. All of that came on one day. 9 of the last 11 days, taking us all the way back to Christmas, have featured zero sunshine. And the good news is we typically start to turn the corner toward some sunnier days in the month of January. November and December are our two cloudiest months on average. January, we tend to start seeing a little more sunshine, with the average percent of sunshine up to about 31% for the month as a whole. So if we average out this month, we are hoping that at some point we get some mostly sunny days, but it's going to take a little while to get there. I'm optimistic, cautiously optimistic. We should see at least some sunshine today and some sunshine at least early in the day tomorrow as well. In the meantime, it is cold. Readings pretty uniformly holding in the 20s. Cold air, though, in place regionally all the way down into central Nebraska. We've got temperatures below zero. It's 11 below now in Pierce, South Dakota, 9 below in Minot, Grand Forks, 13 below up in International Falls, and that's the overall direction that our air is going to be coming from over the next several days. So the pattern has really shifted, and we have locked into some cold air, colder than average. Certainly our average highs are still in the low 30s, and we're not even going to get up to 30 degrees for a high through the entire 7-day forecast. Major winter storm system tracking to the south of Michigan, and our next best chance of seeing some snow is coming with a Clipper system that'll be arriving late Tuesday night into the day Wednesday. Here's a look at the satellite radar composite, and you can see from St. Louis all the way to the nation's capital that significant snow and ice event. We've got a number of winter storm warnings out, and I just checked the flight status at the Gerald R. Ford International Airport. We do have a couple of flight cancellations and some delays, so definitely make sure to check in with your carrier before you head to the airport. We get this kind of a major impact in the major municipalities out east, and it certainly can have that domino effect across the rest of the country. In the meantime, Future Track showing you the potential for some breaks in the clouds and a little bit of limited sunshine to work into play today, tonight, into the early part of the day tomorrow. Here we go with that Clipper system late Tuesday night into Wednesday along the lakeshore and in those areas south and west of Grand Rapids, Van Buren County, down into Cass, St. Joseph counties, down into northern Indiana. We certainly have the potential to see at least a couple of inches of snow by the time it winds down later Wednesday night. Another shot at some snow showers developing Friday, Saturday, another round of snow later Sunday. And the overall pattern here, this is the 8 to 14 day outlook, which takes us well into the third week of January, keeping a lot of cold air on the map through much of the central and southern United States, and the warmer than average temps building into the UP, central and northern Wisconsin, and the northern plain states.